Hi, my name's Kaylee Hill. I'm going to be talking about a little bit about Menīkānaehkem for a Maya Lectures project for SLC, which is the Sustainability Leadership Cohort. Some other people that will be talking is Mariah Kelly, Cordell Little Owl, Avery Fernandez, Cassandra, who is one of the organizers of this, and Marissa, who is an intern that helps work with us. And basically what Menīkānaehkem means in Menominee is community rebuilders. And they like that name because it is basically what it means. They're rebuilding a home to help improve the Menominee reservation in hopes of like they have plans on pumping patches, ceremonies, teaching lodges, a bunch of different activities that can take place there on their 80 acres of land that they bought. And I really like this because it's not only just, like when you look at it, it's not just a broken down home, it's a chance for opportunity to make the Menominee reservation as a whole better and have more places where they can learn the language, learn about their identity, and that is really critical as a young Menominee person to know who they are, which is one reason why I really like it. Thank you.
What I think about Menīkānaehkem, that it's great for the community and it's a nice place. What I like about Menīkānaehkem, it's cool and chill, and like I said, it's a nice place. And it's totally perfect for our community, especially with the pumpkin patch they are now making.
I like Menīkānaehkem because it's a safe place for all to come and learn. I think it was important for our students to visit so that they know where to go when they have questions about traditions and their culture.
What I think about Menīkānaehkem, I think it's a chill, calm, healing place. What I like about it, that it's a calm and chill place.
What I think about Menīkānaehkem is it's a very neat place. I hope, I like the ideas that come from Menīkānaehkem and of how they want to bring everybody together and make that a place where people could go and learn and do other stuff. I like it, and it's a nice place to go to, and I hope that they have a good future in it.
What I like about Menīkānaehkem is that it's a place of hope. It is a very peaceful place for people to gather, and it brings the community together and gives them a place of learning.